The single greatest source of self-made millionaires in America. Do you know what industry it is? Can you guess? You wouldn't believe it. One industry that's contributed more self-made millionaires than any other industry. Dry cleaning shops. Now the key to this, if you want to be wealthy in life, if you wish to become very wealthy, if you wish to become even a millionaire, you can do it if you're willing to pay the price. But most people become millionaires by offering a good or service that people use all the time, and they offer it just a little bit better. They do it just a little bit faster. They put a little bit more grace or finesse into what they're doing. They handle it, they wrap it, they are more polite. The restaurant that has people coming back to it may have food that's only 5% different, but it's the way the people handle it that's so different. You can do anything you want in life. All you have to do is find an idea that's 10% new. And you'll find it if you flood your mind, read magazines, read books, ask questions, ask why people are doing things the way they're doing. Look for ideas. Keep your mind open and flexible. Ask questions. Remember, one new idea is all you need to start a fortune. And within every single person here, you have 4 ideas, an average of 4 ideas per year.
Most people believe you need a big genius idea to become wealthy, something revolutionary, something no one has ever done before. But what Brian Tracy just explained proves that belief is wrong. When people hear that dry cleaning created more self-made millionaires than almost any other industry, they're surprised because dry cleaning isn't exciting. It's not technology. It's not glamorous. And that's the lesson. Wealth is often built on ordinary businesses done extremely well. Brian Tracy is not saying dry cleaning is special. He's explaining how wealth really works. Most millionaires didn't invent something new. They offered a service people already used every day, and they did it just a little better. Not 10 times better, not perfect, just a little faster, a little more polite, a little more reliable, a little more professional. Those small improvements add up over time. Think about restaurants. 2 places can serve almost the same food, but one is always full. Why? Not because the food is dramatically different, but because the service feels better. People return because of how they're treated. Here's the part most people miss. You don't need to create a new industry. You don't need a revolutionary idea. You only need something that is about 10% better, and that 10% can change everything. Most people stay stuck because they're waiting for the perfect idea. They think small improvements don't matter, but small improvements compound, and consistency beats brilliance every time. Brian Tracy explains how ideas are really found, not through luck, not through genius. Ideas come from exposure. You read, you observe, you ask questions, you stay curious. Most people don't lack ideas. They lack attention. One simple habit creates opportunity. Asking, why is this done this way? Why is the service slow? Why is communication poor? Why is the experience unpleasant? Every unanswered why hides a business opportunity. Brian Tracy also said something very important. You only need 1 good idea to start a fortune, and the average person has about 4 good ideas every year. So the problem isn't ideas. The real problem is action. Most people hear ideas, but they don't act. They doubt, they overthink. They wait, and while they wait, someone else executes. Wealth rewards movement, not perfection. So don't wait for a big idea. Look for a small improvement. Pay attention. Ask better questions. Improve the experience just a little. That's how fortunes are built, quietly, steadily, and on purpose. If this lesson helped you see opportunity differently, like this video so more people can hear it. If you know someone who's waiting for the perfect idea, share this with them. And if you want more practical lessons from Brian Tracy and other great teachers, subscribe, because success begins with understanding.